Welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Varun, and in today's video, we will take a quick look at how to get help whenever you need while using OnceHub. Suppose you get stuck somewhere while setting up your account, face any issues while scheduling, or you get run into some technical issues. Well, we do offer a very comprehensive self-help knowledge base along with a 24/7 support team to assist you there. Now, you can always click on the question mark on the top right, that is help and support, and click on the support center. This will take you to our help center, which is help.onceof.com. Now, depending on the product that you're using, you can filter out the help article, be it our classic booking pages or new booking calendars. You can filter out the article. This gives you all the help articles, like be it the routing form, chatbots, something related to integrations, basic user and account management, or just getting started. Whichever section you need help with, you can click on the specific option and get access to all the help articles there. Now you can also use the search help option. You can, like, suppose you need help with the video integration section. So you can just type in video here and get access to all the relevant articles there. The other option that we have is our AI assistant. You can start a conversation with the AI assistant and get help from him as well. The other option is the watch and learn section. Now, once you click here, this redirects you to our YouTube tutorial page. Now we have a very vast library of many multiple videos where you can get information regarding all the aspects of our account. It also covers multiple common troubleshooting aspects as well, along with the setup and basic know-how too. So please do check out our YouTube channel as well for more information on how to use our product more efficiently. Now let's head back to our account and take a look at something else here, which is while using our product, be it our booking calendars, booking pages, routing forms, or chatbot, you might have always noticed that we have a question mark, which is a help article here. Now, suppose you are setting up your booking calendar and you need help with any specific aspect of the whole setup there. Let's say guest notification. You can just click on the question mark here and get a help article right here regarding that particular section where you are on the account. For example, this is the notification section, and here is an help article covering everything about the guest notifications. Now you can click on the open in full site and it will redirect you back to the help.onceof.com, that is our help center, where you can access this whole page. Now, apart from that, if our self-help knowledge base is unable to address your issue, please don't worry. All you need to do is click on a question mark here and click here for a chat with support option. We offer a 24/7 support team, which you can go ahead and start a chat at any time that you want. Now, apart from that, we do offer our email support as well. You can click on contact support here and submit a ticket, which will be addressed by us as soon as possible. So here you can go ahead and create a ticket for the issue that you're facing. So basically, these are the help options that we have. And whenever you need help, please feel free to reach out to us. And yep, thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.